Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video is we're going to unbox and do our review of this TECNO Spark Slim. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here another product from TECNO, and this is the TECNO Spark Slim. So I got this one guys for around or less than $200, and in the Philippine peso that's around 8,000 to 9,000 pesos. You can actually get it cheaper online through the different shops, and I'll just put the link in the description box. Alright, so what we have here guys is a TECNO Spark Slim, and here is the box. Okay, I'm really excited to do the unboxing of this one guys, because I've actually seen the review of the other tech reviewers, and I'm really amazed on how thin the phone is. So let's check this one. Okay, so it's actually guys more on the re-unboxing, because I've actually used this one for a couple of days already, and this is just for you to know what you can get in the box. So we have here, okay, so inside, so you have here the case and the manual. Okay, it's in here. Okay, that's the manual. So if you have any questions, okay, and it's a like a warranty. Okay, and we have here the phone. Set that one aside, and we also have here the 45-watt charger. Okay, it's a USB to Type C cable. Okay, and of course the SIM ejector pin. So here is the phone guys. So it has 5.93 millimeters. It's world's slimmest 3D curved phone, and 5,160 milliamps long lasting battery, 45-watt supercharging, and 144 Hz ultra bright AMOLED display. Okay, so what more can we say? It's really nice. Let's get this one here. Okay, by the way, the variant that we have guys, it's 256 plus 16 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, so here is the phone guys, as you can see at the back. So you have here the cameras, and can you see it's very thin, and this is my index finger, and look how thin it is, and the 3D curve. Okay, design. So let's turn it on. Okay, it's really handy. Okay, so we have here TECNO Spark Slim. And yes guys, again, as I mentioned, I've actually used this one for a couple of days, and I have already tested this one, and all I can say guys is the camera is also good, although it lacks ultra wide camera. But for night usage, this one, it's really doing its job. What can I say? Like, even I have iPhone, or my wife has iPhone, and I tried to differentiate the camera at night, and all I can say it's that the camera of the TECNO Spark Slim is somewhat better when it comes to night mode. I think it's because of the AI camera. Yes, and also the video, although it doesn't support 4,000 K resolution, but for just normal usage, that this one is good. Now let's talk about the battery. Again, okay guys, I've used this one guys for a day with a heavy usage, and the battery, it's really giving good impression. Yes, and what else? The design, it's very thin, it's very classy, I think. It's very, and what I really love the most is this one here. Okay, can you see? This is like my favorite. So especially at night when I'm using this one, I turn it on, and it looks really cute, and it's somewhat more like Baymax. Yes, and what else? The resolution, I have watched no as Prime Video here, and it's really crisp. Yes, and the brightness is really nice. And if when you're using it outside, it's really handy, and you can even just put this one in your pocket. It's not bulky at all. And all I can say, guys, I give this as a 9 over 10 phone. And can you see the refresh rate is really nice? And when you're using game, it doesn't lag also. And for gaming, yes. So guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.